Welcome back to part 2. She's just adding shaving cream.
Because I feel like, because she added little glue, I feel like I just need a double one.
That doesn't really forming. Mine's forming a bit more, isn't it?
Yeah, mine's not forming at all, right? Mine's just water.
Where's
And
my
I feel
activator?
Your activator is on the table.
Yeah, it's really annoying because...
Oh, now that was yours. Give me mine. I don't trust you with my activator. At all.
Guys, this just went so wrong.
You just used to be your activator. So Emily's a psychopath with activator. So basically, do you know what I'm going to do, guys? I'm going to be smart. And don't judge these paints. My activator's going in the middle so it doesn't fall over. And she just got all of that activator on my hand.
Hey, it wasn't my fault.
I'm offended.
I'm going to use some more activator.
Okay, guys, my slime is not forming at all.
Mine is.
Actually, it's kind of. Do you think it's forming, Emily?
Yeah, look at mine. Mine's forming.
No, I'm not talking about yours.
No, look at mine.
Okay, guys, the lighting's a little bit bad, only because of this
I need to add more.
this light. You can't see it. There's a long light in front of us, and for some odd reason, it turned off. No, Emily, do it. Do it like this. Do it my way. I'm just gonna be like shaving foam time, guys. Emily, I think I've added too much shaving foam.
Can you move it? I can't see anything.
What?
Move it.
No! Sorry, I got scared. I'm just gonna add like loads of paint.
Mine's really
I'm
forming.
going rogue.
Mine's really forming. I think I'm going to put my hand in it.
Emily, no, that's not forming. That's sweet. Emily, don't.
It was forming. Grace is just scared of everything.
I don't want slime in my hair, thank you very much.
No, too bad.
Say in the comments if you don't like slime in your hair. Because I don't. Emily, get that away from me. So Emily's trying to kill me. Hi guys, so basically, this has just gone to a Gracie video. This is so satisfying, guys. What are you going to do with all the pink?
One second, I'm going to the toilet.
Okay, so Emily's going somewhere. So right now it's just me. So basically the update with my slime is that it's going to be very pink. Yeah. And that's all I really can say. So I don't know even if it's going to work. Because this is what it looks like. I need to add more paint in it. Like, I know I've added so much, but... And this is the update of Emily's. I think Emily's ruined it by adding shaving foam. This is what Emily's looks like. And this is what mine looks like. I've got quite a lot. And I've still got quite a lot of activator, which is good because I still need to add quite a lot. And I'm going to add more paint. Because I really want it pink. And then me like, still, oh, let me paint. I've not been saying anything.
Guys, what has she been saying?
I've not been saying
Comment
anything.
down below, please. Because I really want to know.
Or you could just
Is this your activator?
Yeah. Were you just going to use it?
Yes.
How rude.
Mine's not forming now because mine kind of went...
I think you just added too much shaving foam.
Yeah.
It's not like going on my muffins.
But I feel like mine's more fluffy now.
You feel like yours more fluffy? Have you seen my baby? No, I've seen. I said, have you seen my baby? I'm calling my slime my baby. Shall we just use another one each?
Well, I've got to use another one because mine's pretty much pulled out. That yellow one here.
Guys, my slime's not forming at all.
Mine was.
Oh well.
Mine was.
Well, I kind of think it is. I kind of think mine is. Emily doesn't. Emily doesn't believe in my baby. Stop calling my slime baby Gracie. Is she calling me crazy or something?
No.
I'm gonna watch this. I mean, I'm literally looking at the thing. Sorry,
She's
guys.
crazy.
I'm not. That was a weird spot.
I'm just staring at myself in the mirror.
Emily's just like, look at myself. And by the way, guys, if it looks like I'm not looking at you, it's a bit weird. I'm looking at myself to make sure that I can see. Look at my fingernails. It's like.
Can you open it?
What? I can't. I don't know how to. You opened it last time.
But how
Go
do
get some
you open yours?
scissors. I don't know. I did it.
Okay, you're not going to know. Be right back.
BRB. I'm gonna sit on my chair for a minute because my butt's aching and I got stains on my shirt. I've got it in my hair. Emily.
Hi, fans.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Wow.
So guys, we're gonna brush my hair out in a minute. I don't know. I've got so much slime. Like, this is loads. This is 10 times more than Emily has. There's like a certain way. I think me adding more shaving foams helped it a lot. But I feel like I still got some more activator. This is from Emily's slime kit. I'm trying to get it all out. I might need to use. Did you get some scissors? Oh, I thought you got some scissors.
Yeah, I cut them open. Wow, yours is.
Mine's it's got like loads. It's my forming.
You're get off the chair. Get it on the floor. It's
Bye,
my
guys.
chair. Look, I do it like this. Okay,
I look so a midget. Guys, look at my hands.
She got fake nails on. She's like super worried, but
Yeah, I am super worried actually.
I'm not because I don't really care about how my nails look.
She's like.
I'm not posh like her. I don't care about fashion really.
I'm not posh.
Well, I do care about what I wear, but I'm not that. I don't care about what I look like really.
Can I use some?
No, that's mine.
You've already had some.
No, I haven't. Oh god, mine forming. I can't tell if mine's really forming or just kissing. Gracie, it's mine.
Okay. I just want to add
It's
some.
mine.
Yeah, it's forming. Well done.
Mine's not forming.
There it is.
Well, if you think this is forming.
It is.
Where's the hole, Gracie?
I don't know. Look how much slime I've got. This is all my fingers everywhere. Is this working? Oh my god.
Sweet.
What did I just do? Okay.
Probably need to get a tissue, Gracie.
Yeah, I know, but be right back, guys. BRB. Oh my god.
Oh, and
We're not
while
professional
Gracie's
at all.
gone, while Gracie's gone, make sure you follow our TikTok account. Gracie, tell them what yours is.
Mine's called Ted Baker 2001 or Grace.
And
Can you scooch over because I can't get out? I'm stuck.
mine is called user590080082. Or it's hashtag Emmy's Life. So yeah, that's our TikTok account. So that's Musically, but I wasn't on Musically. I was just on TikTok because I came on quite late. So basically that's why. And make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. But maybe I'm just going to test her because I want to see if it's like falling. Guys, I'm going to show you guys because she added like loads.
Excuse me.
I was just testing.
She's sabotaging.
I wanted
Guys,
to.
comment down below. She's sabotaging my slime.
Guys, I was just testing it, wasn't I? I'm just testing it because yours is like really thick. Do you want it to be fluffy or something? 'Cause it's like
Yeah, I do. That's why I called it fluffy slime.
really fluffy. It's like too fluffy. Is this forming? I don't know. I don't know.
I've just got a tissue and I just got my
Is it forming.
Emily, you're just using all your activator.
No, but mine's
It's
not.
already how.
Guys, mine's not forming, and I've added 2 activators. So
I've got
don't
stains on my top.
Yeah, because she just had pasta and she went like everywhere. That's why. I think I want to add some more PVA glue because that kind of helped yours.
It didn't. I just added loads of shaving foam, but that didn't help yours. That ruined it.
One sec, guys. One sec, guys.
Guys, we're back. Well, it's just me right now. Emily just went to go get some scissors. I don't know for, but you know, life. So yeah, let me tell you a little bit about me. So I'm Mole. My name's Gracie Mole. Okay, bye. Emily's just getting some scissors. Can you So yeah, my name's Gracie Mole. I am ginger. This is my natural hair colour. Because I don't want anybody to comment down below saying, oh yeah, her hair's so fake, her hair's so fake. This is real. That really hurts. And I got some little hair in them. Yeah, and I love fake nails. As you can see. Let's have a touch of this.
So I have to get scissors. Great. Get off my chair, please. Can you get off my chair, please? I can see you.
Okay, I'm gonna get off your Alright, hold on.
Get off my chair.
Taking your cushion. Can I take that? So I can kneel on it?
Fine. I should just mess my whole bedroom up.
I'm not. I'm just getting things
No.
so I can kneel on. I've got a muffin over here, but I don't know if I'm gonna eat.
Do you want to do it?
You can't even see my face, so we're just gonna scooch.
Did you touch my slime?
No.
You did something to my slime.
I didn't.
I did because I did something to your slime.
I
You did
mixed
something
it.
to my slime, didn't you?
I just mixed it.
Well, I did something to your slime, so you.
What? This girl, lolly, pop. Lolly.
But
That's a bit rude.
I think I have to add more activator, but mine's not working. Because I'm gonna go inside. Jeez, why are you adding so much glue?
I've just been adding saving foam.
Oh my god.
Money's.
I'm gonna try to make a heart. Alright. Do you think that's like a heart now? Because I just scribbled all over it.
Why are you copying me?
I'm not copying you. I'm just doing the same make as you because I think yours is absolutely inspirational. Not.
God, this girl.
Oh, and I'm saying it's inspirational. Give me that.
No.
It's mine.
No, it isn't. That's yours.
No, it's not sweet.
Emily, this one's mine because I bit it.
No, I bit mine.
Emily, this one's yours.
It's not.
It is.
Get away. I don't know why she's lying, guys. I'm gonna add some more. Oh my god, you just copied me.
I didn't.